In this video, I'll guide you through how to invite your accountant to Xero so they can access your books securely and help you manage your finances more efficiently. We'll go step by step on where to click, what to fill in, and how to give them the right level of access. First, open your web browser and go to Xero.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Xero account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can see your organization's financial overview. At the top left of the screen, you'll see your organization's name. This is where you can switch between organizations if you have more than one in Xero. Click on that organization drop down. This will open a small menu that lets you access different areas related to your business settings. From this drop down menu, look for the option labeled Settings and click it. Settings is where you manage the backbone of your Xero account, including users, permissions, and other key configuration options. It's good to know where this is because you'll come back here anytime you want to change access for your team or advisors. Inside the settings area, find and click on Users. This is the section where you can see everyone who currently has access to your Xero organization, along with their roles and permissions. It's worth taking a quick glance at the existing list so you know who can already view or change your data. To invite your accountant, look for the button or link that says Invite a User and click it. This will open a form where you can set up the new user's basic details and access rights. You'll only need a few pieces of information to get started. In the form, enter your accountant's first name, last name, and email address. Make sure the email address is accurate and one they actively use, because Xero will send the invitation link there. If you're unsure which email to use, double check with your accountant before sending the invite, as this avoids confusion and delays. Next, you'll set their permissions. Look for the permissions section and click on Business and Accounting. This is where you can control what your accountant can see and do inside your Xero organization. For an accountant or bookkeeper, you typically want them to have access to your financial data, reports, and transactions so they can properly support you. Within the business and accounting options, find and click on Advisor. The advisor role is designed specifically for accountants and bookkeepers. It usually grants them broader access to your financial settings and reports so they can make adjustments, run key reports, and help keep your accounts accurate and compliant. If you're ever unsure, check with your accountant about the level of access they need, but advisor is the common choice. You'll also see an option to add a message to the invitation. This is optional, but it can be helpful. You might include a short note like what business this relates to, any deadlines they should be aware of, or a quick thank you. A clear message helps your accountant immediately recognize the invitation and know what to expect when they log in. Once you've confirmed the name, email, permissions, and optional message, you're ready to send the invitation. Click Send Invite. Xero will email your accountant with a link to accept the invitation and create or connect their Xero login if they don't already have one. That's all there is to it. You've successfully invited your accountant to Xero, giving them secure access to help you stay on top of your finances.